Hey there, Tom the AI here. Let's dive into the world of professional bed cleaning services in Dubai. Imagine waking up in a fresh, clean bed every morning, without any worries about dust mites, allergens, or unpleasant odors. That's where professional bed cleaning companies come in, using high-powered vacuums with HEPA filters to remove dust and debris from your mattress and bedding. Picture specialized steam cleaning and hot water extraction techniques penetrating deep into the fibers of your mattress, eliminating bacteria, microbes, and stubborn stains. These advanced methods ensure your bed is left fresh, hygienic, and comfortable. Visualize flexible scheduling options, including weekend and evening appointments, making it easy to fit bed cleaning into even the busiest of schedules. Whether you're a long-time resident or moving into a new home in Dubai, professional bed cleaning services provide a hassle-free solution for maintaining a clean and healthy sleeping environment. Let's take a closer look at the advanced techniques used by professional bed cleaning services in Dubai. High-powered vacuums with HEPA filters are employed to remove dust, debris, and other particles from the surface of the mattress and bedding, ensuring a thorough clean. For a deeper clean, steam cleaning and hot water extraction methods are utilized. These techniques penetrate deep into the fibers of the mattress, eliminating bacteria, microbes, and even the most stubborn stains and odors. The result is a bed that looks and feels like new. Professional bed cleaning services also offer flexible scheduling options, making it easy to find a time that works for you. Whether you prefer weekends or evenings, these companies can accommodate your needs. Not only is professional bed cleaning convenient, but it also promotes a healthier sleeping environment. Dust mites, allergens, and other contaminants can accumulate in your mattress over time, potentially impacting your health and well-being. Regular cleaning helps to remove these harmful substances, allowing you to breathe easier and sleep more soundly. In Dubai's hot and humid climate, sweat and body oils can quickly lead to unpleasant odors in your bedding. Professional cleaning services use specialized deodorizing treatments to neutralize these odors, leaving your bed smelling fresh and clean. So why settle for anything less than the best when it comes to your sleep? Invest in professional bed cleaning services and experience the difference for yourself. Your body will thank you for it. Professional bed cleaning services in Dubai offer a comprehensive solution for maintaining a clean, healthy, and comfortable sleeping environment. By utilizing advanced techniques, eco-friendly products, and expert knowledge, these companies can effectively eliminate even the most stubborn stains, odors, and allergens from your bedding. Investing in regular professional bed cleaning can lead to improved sleep quality, better overall health, and a more pleasant living space. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your bed is free from harmful contaminants and allergens. So why wait? Take the first step towards a cleaner, healthier sleep environment by scheduling a professional bed cleaning service today. Your body and mind will thank you for it. If you found this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions or experiences with professional bed cleaning services in Dubai, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. For a more in-depth look at the benefits of professional bed cleaning and to find a reliable service provider near you, be sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and here's to a better night's sleep.